Greetings, sir. Our project title is Blood Care, and I am P. Nagendra Babu, and my team members are Vishnu Teja, Soumya, Sivasai Krishna, and Soman Chaudhary. Our project idea is to create a online platform in which few blood banks can collaborate and can make their operations effectively in online. This website mainly addresses the issue of blood unavailability in emergency times for hospitals and patients who require the blood. Our unique selling points are, through this website, user can request the required blood group and can make payment for it if it is available in the storage of blood banks. Otherwise, user will be provided with the nearby interested donor details and nearby blood bank details. And our exposing services are also the unique selling points of our website. And our exposing services are, the first one is hospital API. Hospital can check the availability of the required blood group and can place the order for the required blood group. And the second one is nearby blood donors API. The database of the nearby donors is provided to the requested blood donation camps. And the third one is nearby blood bank API. Details of the nearby blood banks are provided on request to the needy. And our consuming services are, the first one is Razorpay payment service, and the next one is OTP SMS service for phone number authentication, and the last one is social media promotion service.
Vishnu. The current project status: 75% of the project is completed. The major part of the web application is completed, like multiple user login sign up for customers on blood bank, including forgot password, nearby blood donors features, and checking required blood availability feature, homepage including content form, and user and blood bank profiles. And all the three consuming services are implemented: social media service, Facebook API, Razorpay API. And all the three exposing services are started and get requests are implemented in each service as of now. User profile page and the edit profile for the user profile. Blood bank profile and storage information. Blood bank profile, edit profile, and pay. API consuming service. Here you can post anything for our website. I have developed a request blood page and nearby donors, and I have integrated payment gateway using Razorpay. In request blood, the user can search the blood bank near him to buy the blood from them, and he can search them by entering state and city and the required blood. This way he can search. So there are two blood banks. He can sort the blood bank near him or by address. Then he can order. In the order page, he have to specify the required blood type and the quantity. So he can check the total amount, and he can minus if the user has any rewards. It can be minus. So this is a Razorpay card. In this, we have to type the phone and email, and we have to choose the method of payment. After successful payment, the user can redirect to the success page. Here he can know whether the payment is successful or not. In nearby donors, the user can search the nearby donors by his entering his city and state and the blood type of the person you want to search. Then he can search. He can contact the person by the phone number or address. So and here are the views. Here are the views of donor request page and card. Here he can the order will be saved for the future reference if from where bank the user has purchased.
Greetings, sir. I am P. Nagendra Babu, tool number 138. My contribution for this project by this evolution are as follows. I completed multiple user login and sign up for customer at that time, and I also created a reset password facility, and I also completed a consuming service, that is phone number authentication, by sending OTP SMS. For the service, I have used the two-factor service provider API. I also started the exposing service, that is nearby donors API. For that purpose, I created the API endpoint by using Django REST framework, and I also implemented the GET request as of now, and I also integrated the website of this project. This is a multiple user login and sign up. A new user can give credentials like this, and he can sign up. Then an OTP will send to the registered mobile number as shown here. For this purpose, I have created a function generate OTP. In that, through this URL, the SMS provider API server will be called through by giving an OTP randomly generated OTP. Then the server will send that OTP to the user registered mobile number. If the input given by the user and the generated OTP match, then he will automatically phone number verification will be success, and he can log in. The user submits the OTP, then automatically phone number verification will be success, and the user will be logging. And I also created the reset password facility, private password facility. Here the user should provide his registered email, and a link will be sent to his mail. For the testing purpose, I printed the URL in the Second, the user will get this option to change the password. The password has been successfully changed. And the other thing that I did was I have created an exposing API, that is nearby donors API. Through this API, the requested people can get the nearby donors API, like nearby donors details. For that purpose, I created the donors list view and the donors list view with the method is get by and will take the parameters query parameters from the request by matching the CCD and the state. The donor details will be returned to the client. And for the purpose, I created the serializer, and it will convert the data into the JSON format. For this evolution, I'm showing the resulting Insomnia. For the next evolution, I'll create the mockup. Okay, by giving the URL and this query parameters, the nearby donor details are received as here given. City Kakinada HTTP. In City Kakinada HTTP, all donor details are written. For this for this evolution, I just created get option. For next evolutions, I'll complete this service, this exposing service. Thank you. These are the contributions done by me for this evolution.
Greetings, sir. This is Sivasai Krishna. My first part of the contribution to this project is homepage. I have used HTML, CSS along with Bootstrap for the homepage, and also I'll move to the second part. This is all with the Bootstrap. Now we'll go to the login sign up. For the user profile, we'll enter the credentials, sign in, and here we can see hi and the username. He is the profile of the user. For editing, edit profile. There we can do the changes. Now we are changing from AP to TS and edit profile. Save it. Now if we enter the edit user profile, we can see there it is TS. From AP to we have changed it to TS, and this is all the pop-up of the edit profile. And again we are changing to TS. See, so for my total contribution till now is the user profile, edit profile, and home page. Total front end and back end completely. And coming to the coding part, we are done with the integration too. Here user class is of my part. We can see the attributes. Now moving to forms.py. Here I used the user change form. Edit profile class is of my part. I have considered only few attributes to edit, which are important. Moving to views.py. Here edit profile function is of my part. We can see the code. And now I'm left with hospital API, and which will be shown by end evolution.
Hello sir, this is Soumya. My part was to do blood bank profiling both front end and back end. In our web app, we have two user authentication, user and blood bank. I did blood bank profile. Here you can see user and blood bank. After login, you can see profile and can able to change profile here, edit profile. Here you can see the change 27. Next task I did was consuming social sharing service. Anyone can share a post about our website in any social media. Like you can see, for example, I want to share a post in Facebook. Comes like this. You can share a post here. I also did get API for our hospital service. In the URL itself, I am giving city, state, and blood group. It returns blood bank names in that city and amount of blood of that particular group. Here you can see blood bank names and amount of blood of A minus blood group.
Good morning, sir. I am Sumant. So in this project, I have done the contact from backend. So for that, I have started with created a contact model, and after that, I created a class contact form, and after that, and created a contact view of views.py. I also created exposing API nearby blood banks API. For that, I created views as follows and serializers as follows. This is to convert data into JSON format. And here is the output as shown as follows. When city and state are given as query meters.
Coming to the future work, Till now, we completed 2 user authentication, that is, user and blood bank. We consumed 3 services, Razorpay payment service, OTP SMS service, and social media promotion service. We also completed API get endpoints for our exposing services. Now we are left with exposing services, testing the project, and deploying the project. For the final evaluation, we are planning to complete our 3 end-to-end Django RESTful services. Namely, hospitals can place an order and make the payment for the requested blood. Second services is to provide details of donors to blood donation camps. Third service is in case of we are running out of any certain blood group, the user was provided with nearby blood bank details. We also need to perform testing the project and deploying the project. Hope we'll complete this project successfully. Thank you.